Hello everyone. Here we are starting our chapter 5 of class 12, that is principle of inheritance and variation. First of all, we will discuss about the Mendelian genetics. Here what Mendel do. We will discuss introduction to genetics and heredity. We will discuss about Mendel, that is Gregor Mendel, a brief biography, a brief bio of Gregor Mendel, a well-known scientist, and nowadays he is known as father of genetics. Then we will discuss genetic terminology. Then we will discuss crosses, that is monohybrid crosses. Then we discuss the patterns of inheritance, dihybrid cross, test cross, and beyond Mendelian genetics we will discuss incomplete dominance. Then we will discuss some part of introduction, like what is genetics. Genetics, it is the branch of biology that is dealing with heredity and variation of organism. In this case we have to discuss our chromosome. As we know, chromosome carry the hereditary information in the form of genes. Here we discuss the arrangement of nucleotides and DNA, and we know here that DNA replicates to form the DNA, and from DNA RNA is formed, and from RNA proteins are forming. As we can see here the diagram is showing the chromosomes, and here chromosomes are in which genes are present. As we can see here, chromosomes and genes occur in pairs, and such type of chromosomes we can call them as homologous chromosomes. And when we talk about the sexual reproduction, there will be fertilization from two parents, and genes occur, new combination of genes occur. So if we discuss here in the diagram, that is here homologous chromosome is containing DNA, and that is code for the same genes. In this example we can see both the chromosome have all the same genes in the same location. We can see here homologous regions code for the same genes, and they are represented with colored strips. As we can see here, they are represented with colored strips, but different versions of those genes represented by different shades of each color. As we can see here, the colors are blue, green, and violet. Okay, and their labeling also done with homologous regions code for the same gene. So if we talk about these homologous chromosome, and these two arms are known as sister chromatids, which are exact replicas of each other, but homologous chromosomes are not. So if we discuss about Gregor John Mendel, that is the father of genetics. This is Gregor Mendel. He is Gregor Mendel. He is an Austrian monk and born in Czech Republic in 1822. He was the son of peasant farmer, studied theology, and was ordained priest order St. Augustine, and went to the University of Vienna, where he studied botany and learned scientific method, and worked with pure lines of peace for 8 years, from where he discovered all the laws and principles of the heredity. Prior to the Mendel, heredity was regarded as a blending, which process and the offspring were essentially a dilution of the different parent characteristics. We can see maternal and paternal characteristics are blending. So Mendel shows his experiment in peas by means of 7 pairs of contrasting traits, and these Mendel peas studied by him. He looked at 7 traits or characteristics of pea plants. As we can see here, he take these 7 characters. We can see long and short stems, eggshell or terminal flowers, inflated or pinched ripe pods, purple or white petals, green or yellow unripe pods, yellow green pods, round and wrinkled seeds. Okay, so these are the 7 traits or characteristics of pea plants in which Mendel did his work. He 1866 he published experiments in plant hybridization, in which he established 3 principles of inheritance, and he tried to repeat his work in another plant but didn't work because the plant reproduced asexually. If his work was largely ignored for 34 years, this is a very large number of years, that is for 34 years until 1900, when three independent botanists rediscovered Mendel's work. If we see here, the Mendel was the first biologist which he used the mathematics to explain his results quantitatively. And Mendel predicted the concept of genes, that the genes occurs in pairs, then each pair of gene is present in gametes. Okay. Now, these are the genetic terms which we need to know, like a gene. A gene is a unit of heredity and is a section of DNA sequence encoding a single protein. We can see here in the diagram, here chromosome and DNA, and where gene is present, it is showing here. Next is genome. If we talk about the entire set of genes in an organism, it is known as genome. If we talk about alleles, alleles are the two genes that occupy the same position on homologous chromosome and that cover the same trait. Here we will talk about the same trait. For example, if we talk about the length of the stem like tall and dwarf, if we talk about the color of the stem or color of the seed like yellow and green, like sheet shape, the round and wrinkled, so we have to talk about the same trait and we have to talk about the homologous chromosome as we discussed in previous slides. And we have to also know about locus, and locus is the location where a gene is present on strand of DNA. So one of its allele is located.